Are you happy? I am Efthymius, communicator of the book Egonect. The Egonect is available at Amazon. Whisper 2192. You should feel for every single one of your fellow earthlings exactly what you feel for yourself, especially at this very moment of truth. You should feel sympathy, kindness, worry, and responsibility for every single person who lives with you on this amazing, spinning, but at the same time not moving and alive and watery planet Earth. Yes, the planet Earth, the cosmic brain of the first universe. A Whisper 2193. I must explain again that for something which seems to stay immobile, even if it is actually spinning, there's something must spin faster than the speed of the thought of the ego, meaning that it is reaching the spinning status of a speed which turn to an anti-speed or just is reaching the point of semi-motion where our planet Earth weight is absorbed, and so zero gravity sets in. But this other Earth, which is many times the size of planet Earth, is just floating in its own celestial liquid environment of zero time, gravity, and motion as a totally self-sufficient cosmos of its own, meaning that this other Earth is the floating center of all life. Whisper 2194. And now I must remind you again, do not believe, not even for a moment, that somebody else or something else is grander or more worthy than you, luckier or more perfect than you, better, more qualified, smarter, superior, or more distinguished and liked as a favorite child than you, or just a hand-picked earthling by celestial power and not you. Whisper 2195. There is no such superior power anywhere that can fall so low and to make this type of a mean discrimination between earthling and an earthling, meaning to turn against its total self, because the only truth as true life lives within ourselves as two in one realities. The fundamental law of celestial equality and the almost perfect nature of judgment of the spiritual universe, meaning the thinking element of the foundation of this other earth as the unique and total mind too, will never allow such discrimination, meaning self-discrimination. And this is reality of salt, living elements, is always unchanged, because as reality it can preserve forever the value of life and hold the eternity of the human being untouched into its total world of equality only. Whisper 2196. A reality as the only truth lives within ourselves, as ourself. For if it was otherwise, and if it was permitted for even the smaller trace of discrimination and inequality between an earthling and another earthling, then instead of solid individuality, responsibility, equality, respect for the total, and spiritual grace that should rule over life, as well up with terrible chaos of confusion and universal injustice, because any celestial authority would then think that it possesses the right to deceive, betray, and to be unfair to its own look-alike and to its own nature, and so that to choose and take the side of a particular group or race of people, despite spicing and undermining all the rest of our living beauty. Yes, to shake foolishly the reality of fairness and to act as an obstacle to our total towards our eternity or towards life and life as one. Imagine the book Connect introducing tangible hope, Ephthemios.